Good day, future electricians! Now, before we begin, let me ask you, do you know what is the fundamental things that you need to know before engaging any electrical task? You guessed it right! It is... Now, electrical tasks can be accomplished systematically to save time, effort, and resources. Most of the work cannot be done using only our bare hands. So, to do the task, electrical tools or equipment are needed to perform the particular job. But first, we need to take precautions because the tools can cut, slice, or pierce you if you handle it incorrectly. Always consider your safety. So, today, I will demonstrate to you on how to properly use these common electrical tools used in electrical wiring installation. First tool, the best friend of an electrician, the combination plier. This tool is used to cut, twist, grip, and hold, especially when splicing a live wire. Now, how to hold it? First, hold the plier with its handle, not in the tip, but in the handle. And then, insert your index finger to the inner side of the handle, like this. This will allow you to open and close the plier. Now, like this. Now, we will try to strip a wire. You have first placed the blade of the plier to the required length, which is 12 millimeter. Watch. Like this. Now, twist carefully to avoid the cutting or bruising the wires inside. Like this. Twist it until you sever the insulator. Like this. Now, next. Try to push the plier by your thumb. Like this. And that's how you open your wire. Wait. That. Now that's how you open your wire using a combination plier. The next tool is also a plier, but its sole purpose is to cut. It's the side cutting plier. This one. Cutting wires is its job, and also opening wires for splicing. Now, you only have to reenact what we have learned in the first tool that we introduced to you. Twist with the desired length of 12 millimeter. Then use your thumb to push the plier. This. Next is a common tool for almost every industrial technician. The screwdrivers. Now, there are three types of screwdrivers according to its tip. The three screwdrivers are all used in driving the screws, but screws had different types of heads. No, do not use screwdrivers as a striking tool. That's a big no. Now, the sign plus and the negative sign and the hexagonal type. That is the three types of head of every screws. Now, the plus sign screw must be driven by a Phillips screwdriver because of its cross type tip. This one. For example, we have here a cross-headed screw. So, what do you think is the right screwdriver to be used for this task? So that is... which one? Which one? Now, this, the Phillips screwdriver. Now, how to tighten and loosen the screw? First is to fit the tip of the screwdriver to the head of the screw, like this. Let's fit. Yes. Now, to loosen the screw, twist it in counterclockwise, like this. Counterclockwise, I say. Faster. Oh. To tighten, twist it in a clockwise. And that's how you use a screwdriver. Now, let's tighten this up. Now, not in counterclockwise, but in clockwise. Faster. And done. So, the important thing that we need to remember is there are different sizes of hexagonal type screw. You must insert the right fit to drive the screw to prevent damaging the head of the screw and the Allen key itself. Now, we have here an example. This screw is a hexagonal type. Now, we will search for the appropriate size of this screwdriver. Now, let's begin. Let's guess. This one? Let's try it. Oh, it's not this one. Next, let's try this one. It fits. Now, this is what we call fitting. The next tool is the most common in carpentry, but it is also useful in electrical tasks. That is the hammer. This tool is usually used for striking and attaching conduits to the wall using clamps for the electrical wiring. The question is, how do you hold a hammer? Is it at the middle? Is it at the neck? Or is it at the end of the handle? Some hold it at the middle because it is easy for them to strike the nail downward. But the correct way is that you must hold it at the end part of the handle, because it will allow you to use the maximum force for the swing. The hook is used for pulling nails, like this. And the blunt side is to strike nails, like this. Now it's time for you to apply what you have learned in this demonstration.